I'm Nitte and I'm pursuing my MBA at NMIT. Let me show you what makes this program truly special. The MBA program here combines strong academic learning with real industry exposure. Through collaborations with institutions like IIM Bangalore, ECEL and SAP, we gain certification in tools used in real corporate environments such as MS Excel, SPSS, SAP and advanced analytics. Learning goes far beyond the classroom. Internships, live projects and industrial visits help us to understand how businesses actually operate. Another great advantage here is the strong alumni network. Our alumni regularly return to campus to conduct guest lectures, share industry insights, and guide us through training and placement preparation. The MBA program offers specializations in marketing, finance, human resource management, fintech, business analytics, and logistics and supply chain management. With the highest package reaching 14 LPA, NMIT MBA students have secured opportunities with leading organizations like Accenture, KPMG, EY, PwC, Infosys, and so on. But life at NMIT is not just about academics. We also celebrate vibrant campus events and cultural festivals that bring students together and create unforgettable memories. These experiences help us build friendships, teamwork, and leadership beyond the classroom. So, when someone asks me where I'm pursuing my management career, I proudly say I'm pursuing my MBA at NMIT.